In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print customer lists in QuickBooks. If you need a clean, printable list of your customers for a meeting, an audit, or simple record keeping, this walkthrough will take you from sign in to a printed page with just a few clicks. Start by opening QuickBooks in your web browser and signing into your account so you land on the main dashboard. Next, look for the Customers area. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the top menu or in the left side panel. If you're using the left navigation, open the panel and select Customers. If you see a Customers option on the top menu, go ahead and choose that. Either way, you'll arrive at the Customers overview, where your full list is displayed. On the Customers screen, take a second to make sure you're viewing the right list. If you have filters applied from a previous session, clear or adjust them so the list contains exactly what you want to print. It helps to scan the columns on screen as well, confirming that names, contact details, and balances appear the way you want them to show on paper. Now move your attention to the right-hand side of the customer list. You'll see a small printer icon near the top of the page. Click that printer icon to open your browser's print preview window. This is where you'll control how the list is sent to paper or saved. In the print dialog, adjust the settings before you proceed. The most important choice is destination. Pick the physical printer you plan to use or choose Save as PDF if you need a digital copy. While you're here, check layout options like portrait or landscape, page size, margins, and scale. If your list is wide, landscape and a slightly reduced scale often keep everything on fewer pages. Also confirm color or black and white, and the number of copies you need. Once your settings look right, review the preview pane carefully. Scroll through each page to confirm names aren't cut off, page breaks fall in sensible places, and the information you expect to see is present. If anything looks off, tweak the scale or margins and let the preview refresh. When you're satisfied, click Print to send the job to your selected destination. Give your printer a moment to process, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks, go to Customers, use the printer icon, fine-tune your print settings, and print. If a dialog doesn't appear, make sure your browser allows pop-ups and that your printer is online. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!